had the right leg straight out. Now it'll be the left leg's turn. So I'll move that one out. We'll move this one back. We'll come back over here. I just hit a wire there. And move this. Straighten the head out. We've just done the middle keyframe. You know, we can go back in here. We could be a little bit more specific. Save that. And now we're done basically using the monkey. Benefits of taking motion capture and going directly into the animation system, our character animation system, Kinemation. We can also alter that information at this point. So I'll go in here and grab just the root of our body here and say that when you go through a walk cycle, when your leg is straight, the body tends to shift up. So let's do that. So I'm going to go to those two keyframes, keyframe 6 and 16, and holding the control key down, I just want to shift the body up a little bit, and then shift over to 16 and do the same sort of thing. Save that again. And I have the similar keyframes at 1 and 21. I don't really want that because there'll be a little hit in the loop. So I'll go to my keyframe, my timeline right now, and I'll go from frame 21, and I'll shift it a frame down to frame 20. I'm in loop mode. When I hit play, there's our walk cycle. It's in a similar position. I can stop this and say, not only was I able to bring motion capture in, spline all of that information, I set it up in poses, I can alter those keyframes manually in Kinemation, but I can go back in there, open up a line of communication again, and I can alter some of these positions with the motion capture information. I can change and alter these keyframes. Make sure I am in my skeleton mode again here, and save that keyframe. And that was just, so I've gone motion capture into Kinemation, I've changed keyframes, I've added keyframes, moving the root around, and I've gone back into motion capture again. So I've had this ability to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth constantly. And this generally blows people away, especially when they can see how quickly you can do a realistic walk cycle like this, and just playing with it, where I can move the body around in all different directions like this, generally sells them on the idea. That's the basics of the monkey and Kinemation.